Another man doing his vlogging over there. Vlogging away.
YouTube live?
Gotta be, mate, gotta be. What channel?
The Roaming Cook. What's your channel?
Oh, I know you know Paddy.
I do know Paddy.
You go to Paddy Door.
A friend of mine.
Yeah. Food stuff is
Thank you so
exceptional.
much. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, nice to see you. About to cross the river now to IconSiam, which is another really big storm coming. So this is the reason really we're going to IconSiam today, because if we're out in the street we're just going to get drenched and the roads and everything will flood. As it stands, if the tide's still coming in, it's definitely going to flood over here behind us. But still, beautiful Bangkok, down by the river. One of the very nicest places in the world for me. I think it's absolutely beautiful here. So this is IconSiam. This is probably one of the top shopping malls in the world, let alone in Bangkok, which has plenty of beautiful shopping malls. But I'm loving this sky. I know we're going to get a big storm, but doesn't that look dramatic? But that is a big storm coming any second now, so we're going to get ourselves inside. If you want to see the Crafty Nana's version of the vlog, there she is there, check out the Crafty Nana channel. She's a much nicer person than I am, and therefore probably much more fun to watch, and she doesn't talk so much bollocks. I won't be buying anything in here apart from food. It's a very expensive mall with very expensive labels, but definitely something worth coming to look at. You could buy me a place here if you want to, send your money to paypal.me@soafox. I'm pretty sure that I'd be happy to accept your contributions to live in that building there. I do love it here. I love Bangkok. And we're going in. And this is the sort of the quality of the finish of this place. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm not saying it is a gold leaf ceiling, but it certainly looks gold leaf ceiling, doesn't it? And then you can see Hermes, Patek Philippe, Salvatore Ferragamo, or Bulgari, Dolce & Gabbana, Tiffany & Co. All things that I can't buy anymore. Well, couldn't buy then, never bought. Haha, I'm poor. But we're going to come here because we know a nice wander around and we can get some really good food. I know we have lots of arguments with my fellow vlogger friends about who does the best food, Thailand or Malaysia, and they all feel Malaysia. I don't know, I've always had a thing for Thai food, although ultimately the winner for me is Indian food, but we're lucky, I suppose in Malaysia we get so much of that ourselves.
I've got some fresh tomato soup. They're offering inspiration for art because they're just so pretty. I guess the pomegranate juice will probably be quite refreshing. More dumplings here.
เผ็ดไหมคะพี่ไม่นานไม่ไปพี่เลยมีค่ะ
เราจะไปนวดก่อน
ไม่ได้นวดก็เมื่อวานนี้ชวนแล้วนางไม่ไปที่
ชวนได้ไงยังกวาดไม่เสร็จเลยยังเย็บขยายมากวาดสามมันสื่อของมา
The chef dish your food, you know, is going to be good. Thank you. So hopefully you just see me getting my mushroomy food. Very busy in here, but doesn't matter. This is going to be something else. So I went full on everything, spice. I'm a really big fan of the mushroom. To me, it's the only vegetarian meat that I need. All fake vegetarian meat you can stick, but mushroom is meat as far as I'm concerned. Oh, that's delicious. Ah, that's that kind of, you're not expecting it hit and it just, oh, it's going to be good for your throat. Very good. So good. Anyway, so I don't know what this is called. It's just lots of mushroom with some sweet corn, lots of chili, all sorts of sauces. Right. Oh my lord. Really good. Really good. There's no real point comparing Malay food with Thai food. They're completely different things. Different flavours, different styles. I think it's just safe to say I love them both. Oh, that's so good. However, I know one thing for sure. Good Thai sticky rice, mango sticky rice. That is a thing of beauty that is not surpassed in Malaysia. Right, I'm going to talk to you later. This food is delicious. I'll show you how strong it is. You can see the power of that broth. That's not a light little broth, that's delicious. You might wonder why we come to Bangkok, all the way to Bangkok, and then just come and wander around the shopping mall. This is why. It's absolutely vile out there. Unfortunately, you know, you don't. This is a visa run. We don't really get the pick of when we come. We have to come at a certain period of time to get out of the country to get renew our visa for Malaysia. And we're in the rainy season, so this is what happens. We're sitting here, have a nice cup of coffee, and yeah, it's a bit shit, frankly. So yes, it's yuck out there. Absolutely shit on a stick. So I'm going to carry on looking around the mall. It's only just gone 1:30. I'm going to carry on looking around the mall. So we can see if there's anything on the cinema. I'm still owed a mango sticky rice. It's a brand, it's Versace. All you dickwads that want to buy something that looks that fucking ridiculous and pay a fortune for it, you're hilarious, because that looks like utter shit. Haven't done this floor yet, but if you want to go up, we go up. It's going up. beyond massive, and by far the coolest shopping mall I've ever been to. Absolutely. And shopping malls, you know, we've got a Porsche dealership, a BMW dealership. It's got GWM, which I think is an American dealership in here as well. BMW, it's cool. Very, very cool, and it's huge, and it's not full. The thing I dislike about sort of Malaysian shopping malls, and I've got some stunning shopping malls, big shopping malls, but they're all still full of the same old crap, the same old Burger King and fucking KFC and McDonald's and Mary Brown and fucking all the same shitty fucking fast food bullshit restaurants, and you don't get that. This place has a very classy food hall, if you like, down in the basement. Set up like a floating food market. Stunningly good, local food, absolutely fabulous. And then all the shops are just classy. It's just nicely done. I mean, it's just a Watson's, but everything is so fresh. I don't see any like holes in the ceiling where the air conditionings have been leaking. The toilets were so clean and so fresh and just modern. I saw one that was out of order, but not the whole row, which I regularly see in Malaysia. And the floors in the toilets, of course, aren't super wet but yeah, it's just an amazing place. It's got this huge area on the floor below and on this floor, which is called Iconcraft or Iconcraft. And it's just a huge area of like local crafts people, 71 local crafts, or 71 areas I think of the country represented by the crafts people. Absolutely amazing. You walk around there, it's just like everything. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. Ugh. You know, you do that in you walk around most shopping malls. I walk around a shopping mall in Malaysia, I'm like in and out because there's nothing really to see. It's the same shop. Same shops in every shopping mall. And the same goods in every shopping mall. That's the problem. There's nothing unique. This place is stunning, and I've seen this. It's just not here. I mean, Thai shopping malls are a class above, way above than most places. So it looks pretty rough out there. Look at this in here, darling. It's huge.
Next door, swimming towards the sushi den.
So, we just had our food. Didn't show it because, well, we were just starving and busy. It's 8:45 now in the evening. We're still at IconSiam, but we're going to start heading back. So I'll get a boat back across the river. We've had a really amazing day here. Good. You would have no idea that outside is a massive storm. Just had tom yum noodles and also duck noodles and mango sticky rice. Really good value. It's good food. I think if you go out on the street you're going to get better food, but you've got a bit grittier there and you're taking a risk a lot of times. This was good quality, fair prices, and no complaints. So we're going to head outside, find the boat. The good thing is we're only 10-minute walk from the boat place back to our hotel. My wife's got a blister, which is always the way when you're on holiday. Your shoes that have been fabulous all the time suddenly rebel. And that's the way it goes. But as you can still see around me, this place is just lively as can be. Absolutely brilliant. We've just been to the cinema. We watched Avatar again. Very different experience from Malaysia. The toilets, cinema, everything is just amazing. Absolutely amazing here. And shopping mall and toilets are very well maintained as well. So anyway, we'll head back. I'll see you probably tomorrow. So we haven't got the microphone connected, so I'll talk loud. Amazing. So we've been in the shopping mall. The weather, I think, is rain stopped now, but they've put this walkway, like it's a temporary walkway, and they've laid it all the way to where you catch the boat. How about that for service? And then the boat is free as well across the river, by the way.